Hello everybody, it is May 12th 2024 and I'm out on Allen Lake today for the season opener run. It's a beautiful day today. It's been not so good, and I've had a hard time finding time to get out here to run any motors on the lake this spring, but made it out today. And I know my viewership is only about, I don't know, somewhere between 2 and 3% females, but happy Mother's Day. Anyway, I'm out here today. I got the 1960 Gale Buccaneer 15 on the Aerocraft P12 today. Usually I run a tiller boat for the season opener, but I decided to change it up a little bit and run this one today. Anyway, I got this one this fall. I needed the ignition gone through. Someone had been through it before and did a not so thorough job of going through it. Spark plug wires were not fully engaged in the coils, and condensers hadn't been replaced, and so I went through and cleaned the points. The points look pretty good, they just need to be cleaned up. I replaced the one older coil that was in it with a brand new one, and the other one was a late production OEM coil, so it's got two of those in it now. Points clean, new condensers, new plug wires, new spark plugs. Went through the carburetor. The carburetor was pretty clean, just needed a cleaning, so I went through that and just cleaned it up, put it back together. It had one new fuel line on it. I replaced the other one, and the gear case seems to be okay, and it's pumping plenty of water, so I'll still have to take a look at it, but it's not leaking and the water pump's working well, so I'm not too concerned about it at the moment. So anyway, let's fire this one up and take you for a run across Allen. When I got this motor, I was told that it was losing compression once it warmed up and it would lose power. I'm not so sure that was what was happening. I tend to believe that it was dropping a cylinder due to the little bit of a lackadaisical rebuild on the magneto, but it seems to be running fine, and it's not losing any power, and it's actually pretty strong for a 15. I'm quite happy with the performance on this one. give you a view going forward. So I hit 22. It does a good solid 21 and a half. I'm running a 9x10 pitch prop on this, and yeah, I'm real happy with it. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.